Welcome to Subaru Ecu Flash Training Part 3. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at working with our Rom Raider data logging software. So the Rom Raider logging software is going to allow us to do the actual data logging process or live data stream out of the ECU. It's going to let us know what's going on with all of our sensor information and how the vehicle's actually running. Data logging is going to be a vital part of the calibration process. So this video is going to be very, very important. We're going to be using the data logging software here quite heavily. We're going to go through all the details you need to know in order to work with the Rom Raider logging software, and then we're going to do a demonstration connecting to an actual vehicle, streaming our live data, and doing an actual data capture so you can see how that process is going to go. Without further wait, let's jump into our video so we can check this out. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to be taking a look at working with our Rom Raider software in our Subaru applications. Our Rom Raider software is going to allow us to do data capture. It allows us to select particular channels we need to see in order to figure out what is going on with our engine. How is the vehicle performing? How's the engine performing? Things like our mass airflow sensor voltage, our boost pressure, taking a look at our air-fuel ratio. All of that is important information in order to do the calibration process. What we're going to find is we actually have three different softwares we're going to be dealing with. We're going to do the read-write calibration and flash process with our Ecu Flash software. That's going to be where we do the brunt of the actual tuning. Then the Rom Raider software is going to be used for logging purposes, where we actually capture specific data channels and we save that into a file format, or we can just stream the live data out of the ECU, depends on what you want to do. And then if we save the logged data or the live data into a log file format, we can play that file back into Megalog Viewer HD. That's our data analysis software. We're going to look at that into the next training tutorial. So we're going to focus on just working with a Rom Raider, getting it installed onto our laptop, doing a general software overview, and then actually learning how to stream the data, and then going in and actually creating a data log where we're taking that stream data and saving it into a log file that we can play back at a later point in time. Working with Rom Raider software and working with the Megalog Viewer HD software is equally important into figuring out how to calibrate and tune as going in and actually making the changes in the tables here. Just because we're making the changes doesn't mean that what we're working with as far as our calibration process is correct. We can't see what's going on without logging and data capture. So this is super important. We need to know how to do this. You cannot skip working with your Rom Raider software. It's an integral part of tuning. All right, so let's go in here and move into installing the Rom Raider software onto our laptop. So I'm going to minimize Ecu Flash here. We're going to jump into our Subaru course packet folder. This is a folder that you can, the particular course packet is available in the library for the training course. It's going to be the first icon to click on when it's going to look just like one of the video sets that you would click on. It's going to be a zip file. You can download that right from the course directory on your laptop, and that's going to be what you find right here. So I've unzipped the file from the website, and this is the folder that I'm dealing with here. Now, we're going to move into our folder, and then we're going to go into our Rom Raider software specific subfolder, and then into the software folder itself. This is what houses the setup executable file that we need for installation of the Rom Raider software. Now, I typically don't provide software setup files in the training courses, mainly because they're constantly updating the files. And anytime there's kind of new software feature that comes out, something gets updated every few months, every few weeks. So I don't like to provide it because there's usually rapid updates and frequency and changes of updates in software development. Now, Rom Raider has slowed down in the last few years in terms of software development. Looks like November 11th, 2020 is the last time it's been updated. Now, the reason why I provided this is because it's been very spotty on their website. I don't know if it's a server problem. I don't know if their site is completely down. I don't know what is going on, but for the last few weeks, I haven't been able to get on to the Rom Raider website. So I've went in and I've gotten this setup file, this executable file that allows you to install the software without having the need to go online. If Rom Raider comes back online, whatever's going on with it, it's just romraider.com, and you can see if there's a later software version. This is going to be software 0.7.2. So this is the latest software version they put out. So this is the latest that we're providing here at the time of filming. If there's something newer, you're certainly able to download that in the future, but for right now, this is going to be what we take a look at and what we work with. What we have to do is drag this to our desktop. We can see that's appearing right now. We can't run the setup executable file from this subfolder. It has to be found on the desktop. Let's close this out here. Let's jump into the setup file, double click, and it's going to allow us now to do the installation. We're going to see. Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.